Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am recording the second video on my series about the replace method. Now, like I was showing the first video, this is one of the more advanced examples that I will be explaining. And basically what this does is you basically have created this kind of helper regex and some colors, and then you can basically add any word you want to kind of translate to another word in the replace, and any word that you add here will be replaced when you use this replace, right? It will be replaced globally. So if you have a long text and you want to replace all the instances of red with this one, you add it here. If you want to add another one like purple, and you want all the instances of purple to change to the translation of purple in whatever language, you just put it here and then it just works, right? And let's see what's going on here. First, you have the text, which there's not much to explain about, can be any text. And then you have an object, which you can create a translation. You add the words that you want to be replaced globally. Now we creating here a regex. And what's going on here? Basically, we use the syntax for creating a regex. Now you can also write a regex like this: const reg equals, and you put this 2 and you write the regex here. But the way this works, if you write it like that, you have to write everything by hand. But here I want to basically join an array, right? And what I'm doing is I'm using this syntax of creating regex new RegExp, right? And in here you put basically the regex here, first one as the first argument, and then here you put whatever flags you need for the regex. And for this I need the global flag because I want all the instances of these matches to be replaced, right? I want to find all the matches globally, not just the first instance of any one of these things, right? And what happens here, I'm using object keys of the object, and object keys basically returns an array of all the property names, right? So we return an array that has inside red, yellow, blue, and purple. So once we have that, we join the array by using this delimiter, right? We join it by using this. And why do we join it by using this? Because if you want to create a regex that matches multiple things, like for example, I want to match none, but also I want to match all, you basically use a line between them, which this means or. So none or all or some, right? So the same way you would write for red, yellow, blue, and purple. But we don't want to write all these things like this for this, because we want to be able to add properties and not have to change the regex. We want to be able to just change this and it will be done automatically. And we do that by using this syntax where we're just getting all the property names automatically by using this, and then we join them by using a line, and that's how we do a regex, right? So now we have the regex, and we use this regex with the replace method. You put the regex here as the first one, and then we know that when we're using regex in replace, we can have a function that gets a match. So in the match, we can console log the match to see what are the matches that we're getting, and you will see that we get the matches in the text. If whatever the text has from these things, it will be at a match at some point. It will basically go to all the matches. So if I console log match, you will see that these matches, okay, let's not code node dictionary, right? And you can see that basically these are the matches and this is returns at the end, but we don't care about that because this is not actually a match, right? Okay, so you can see, so basically now whatever, basically it has these matches, and whatever we return here for each match, that what it will return in place of that match in the text. So if we will say something like return replaced here, oh right, this was written here because I have the console log and it console logs this, right? Okay, um, so so now if I return replace for all of the matches, you will see that the let's take this out, and you will see that what I'm getting here is be something like this color is replaced and this color is replaced. Oh, here is replaced because it replaced them all with replace, right? So let's do this, and you can say this color is replaced and this color is replaced. Oh, here is replaced. Or let's say return match to uppercase, right? And if we do that to uppercase, you will see that all the colors are uppercase, right? Because the matches are the colors. The properties that we have here are the matches if they are found in the text, right? So let's do this. Clear. This color is red and this color is blue. Oh, here it's yellow, right? So now let's go back to what we had before, and what I'm doing here is I'm basically saying return colors of match, and because the matches are actually these, for each match it will return colors of match, which means it will replace each match with colors of match with which will be the value of the match in colors, which will mean every property that was match will be replaced with its translation, right? Colors of match. And that's it. It's that simple. So I hope you enjoyed this one. It can show you like how powerful it can be, replace can be, because you can basically have matches in the matches in a function and do any kind of complicated logic, all kind of logic with it. So I will see you in the next videos. I have quite a few more nice examples. I think this one is pretty nice as well. And if you enjoyed the video, please give a like, subscribe, and if you do subscribe and you want to get notified when I upload new videos, you have to basically click the bell icon, and that's how you will get notification when I post. And I post pretty often, but if you're interested in this kind of stuff, you're probably not gonna mind it. Alright, I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.